I can hear jingle bells. It's all happening here.
Hurry up, you lot, or miss all the fun.
Wait for me. My shoe's undone.
Not again.
Quick, we'll run and catch them up.
I haven't heard you sing yet. No, we've only just got here.
Baubles, baubles and tinsels, baubles and tinsels and stars. Get your fairy lights here, guaranteed to work for us. Now, that would be a miracle. Never mind miracles. How about a nice juicy turkey? Look at this fellow, smashing big legs, just like my missus. Don't forget your Christmas puddings, me darlings. With puds busting with fruit, you won't find better. No, how about a box of Sherlockian pie? Here's a card from to join in with a real old favourite. Ready after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My lovely stall. Can I tempt you to buy anything? Not really. We're a bit old for most of this stuff.
But some of these toys are really cute.
And really old.
Not even Grand's doll as old as this one. Where did you get them from exactly? You'd be surprised if you knew. These toys came from an attic in an old Victorian house. They'd been long forgotten about, so I brought them down to give them a bit of my THT. That's tenderly, heavily touched. It always works. Magic. Tender, heavenly tongue. Never heard of that.
You think anyone will buy them?
I do hope so. I'd like them to have in their home. Let's test the market.
We'll help you.
Up in the attic, all alone, was a box of forgotten toys. Once they were played with all day long by long ago girls and boys. See joy, with its message of Christmas joy. Oh dear, no one wants to buy my old Christmas jigsaw. They just don't know what they're missing. Are you sure I can't tempt you to buy it? You're old, I'm afraid. You can never be too old for this jigsaw.
But we don't know anyone to give it to.
Then give it to yourself. But it's just a bit too worn out. Are you surprised? It's been doing its job for hundreds of years.
But I thought you said it was Victorian.
If you take it, you'll soon find out what I mean. It's timeless and ageless.
Well, if we did buy it, how much would it cost? There is no price tag.
It's priceless.
What do you mean?
It means there is no price. It is more valuable than money. I was waiting for the right child to come along, and look at me, I found 5 of you that have enough curiosity to deserve it.
Wait, you want to give it to us for nothing? That can't be right.
Are you sure?
Absolutely positive.
Well, thanks, but should we accept?
Of course you should. Go on, take it. Really, there's absolutely no catch. Just promise me that on Christmas Eve you'll stop being busy and excited and take time to put all the pieces together very carefully.
We promise.
Thanks so much. And Merry Christmas.
Have a very special Merry Christmas yourself. I'm sure our paths will cross again.
I can't believe it's Christmas Eve already. It's so exciting.
Got my necklace from Mom all wrapped up.
There's not left in here. In fact, there's only this. Oh no, the old Jigsaw.
What are we going to do with it?
Well, if you remember, we promised the toy seller we'd find time to do it on Christmas Eve.
Well, we haven't got time now. There's still masters to do before tomorrow.
And some good stuff on the TV we're missing too.
A promise is a promise, you know.
I know. You girls do the puzzle and when it's done, we'll come and admire it.
Hey look, there's a picture of an angel on the box. It has...
I bet you'll find a bit missing. It's always the same with old Jigsaws.
Hey look, there's a picture of an angel on the box. He got a very familiar face.
Oh yeah. Is he someone famous? Is he off the tally?
No, don't be silly. TV wasn't invented back when this old Jigsaw was made. But she does look very familiar.
She's right, you know, she really does look very familiar.
Oh yes, but who does she remind you of?
I've got it. The angel in the box has the same face as the toy seller who gave us the jigsaw. Spooky. Sophie has. Spooky.
Not Sweetie Thomas, the heavenly touch of Christmas magic.
So, are you an angel?
You've got it, Meg. This is me and all my glory. I don't try to death from much such remarkable places. Today's special, so it's come dressed up.
Lovely.
I usually bring a speech for you, like something be not afraid. I bring great tidings of joy. Not today. Today I've come to show you the first Christmas. So, Eve, could you take out the first piece and let's have a look at it? It's quite a big piece, and it shows Roman soldiers talking to a crowd of people. The chief Roman is reading from the scroll. That is where our story starts, and that's where Mary and Joseph lived. Joseph was a town called who originally came from Bethlehem. Now, Emperor Augustus called for a census, so every man and woman had to go to a place for it to be counted. It's quite a myth, you'll see.
manners but budge. Do you mind? Where are your manners? Orders, orders, orders. I'm fed up with these women. Why don't they go back where they belong?
Yes, now leave us in peace.
Silence! I could have you arrested. You know there are punishments for rebels like you. This is a decree from Emperor Caesar Augustus. Long live the Emperor! There is to be a census. Every man must return to the town or city. Must return to the town or city to be counted. The plan is to take immediate effect. Algerian starts today. Roman officers will be waiting your arrival. The count will take place in 5 days' time. Be there!
Why do you need to count us? What's it all about?
Tax, of course, they take all our profits. That won't be working soon. That's good.
Going on a journey, a little holiday. Looking up our relatives, we hope they'll let us stay. They will still be working with all the kids in mind. It won't be such a holiday for women, you will find. That's open on our way. We will be back one day. Start now and go till late. The emperor is waiting. That's open on our way. We will be back one day. Start now and go till late. The emperor is waiting. Going on a journey, we're walking all the way. Robbers might be hiding there to ambush us today. Going on a journey, our census must be called. Romans get the orders now and can't be overruled. That's open on our way. We will be back one day. Start now, don't till late. The emperor is waiting. That's open on our way. We will be back one day. Start now, don't till late. The emperor is waiting. The emperor is waiting.
Long live the Emperor!
We must travel in groups and heading for the Bethlehem Road. Somebody had bet to St. Mary and Joseph had bet the census. Joseph came from Bethlehem too. What about wild animals when we camp at night?
Your life might just get them.
The robber threw me.
It's got to be done.
This piece shows Mary and Joseph arriving in Bethlehem. It's very dark, but the stars are bright. The innkeeper and his family are there, but it's very deserted. It's very late at night.
But what a night that was. We angels had our work efforts keeping them safe. It's quite a journey from Nazareth to Bethlehem, Mary with a baby ready to be born. They protect them from robbers, guide them to stop misses, and of course, to the problem of accommodation at the end.
Joseph and Mary were very slow travelers. Mary could not keep up with everyone, but Joseph took great care of her. Soon the other travelers know and say, long ago they did know the travel. But we were there to keep them safe. Wakey, wakey, you have in front of visitors. No more visitors allowed. We settled in the final crowd. The air is full, no light, that's true. We have no room for the likes of you. If there's no room at the inn tonight, we need our sleep, and so good night. But wait, I have an idea. We got the stable fairy Leo. It's warm and dry, the lamp is bright. If your babies will be born tonight. In the manger, full of hay, to make a cradle, oh please stay. That night the baby Jesus was born. Ada flew back the head to spread the good news.
Come on, what do you find the next piece, mate? Me! I'm choosing the shepherds on the hill. Look at the angels in the sky. Oh, what a such glorious night that was. We angels don't need good news to sing about, and we practiced for years and years, so we're going to sing our hearts out.
On the hills outside Bethlehem, shepherds were watching over their sheep.
It was a bright and starry night, but one star shone brighter than all the rest.
Look at the stars tonight. Look at that great big star over Bethlehem. I've never seen a star that big or bright before. What does that mean? Suddenly the sky was full of angels flying in from all directions. That was absolutely
We joined them in glorious angel like friendly skies with sang with joy.
Absolutely amazing, astounding, astonishing, awesome, absolutely. What are we waiting for, guys? Let's go.
Come on, boys, let's find the next piece.
Me, I'm chasing the shepherds on the hill.
Beat you.
That's not fair. Anyway, my piece shows three magnificent kings with servants carrying their gifts. They are following the star.
Yeah, but my one has a king on it too. A scary type of king. His servants are terrified. Oh, well that was King Herod, the king of Judea. Really it was angels trouble with a capital T. It's tricky being the guardian angel with someone like him to deal with.
So which is it? My three good kings or his ones, or his scary one?
Let's do both. The two stories intertwined. We'll see. Look, three travelers coming this way.
They look pretty important to me. Haven't liked them.
Herod doesn't like anybody.
Hold.
Photo. This is private land. Our masters wish to know if this is the palace of King Herod of Judea.
It most certainly is.
We wish to present gifts to our new king. We have followed his battle star from the east and it has led us here. No. Been watching the Amazing Star 2. For what it meant. But it won't have a new king. That's for sure. Herod is the only king here.
Our master wished to speak to King Herod. He surely must be able to help with their quest.
Speak to Herod. Are you serious? You clearly haven't heard about our king.
Let's tell them all about him.
He's Herod, the king of Judea, the king who rules with the power of fear. In the great white palace in Jerusalem, the servant tried to please him, but they never stand. Now Herod has wives so a spider, waiting for the prey. Wise men prepare me today. I think we got the message.
So, 3 travelers are outside. They wish to speak to you.
Send them away. No one demands to speak to me.
They want your advice, sir. They say that the big star has been following, foretells the birth of a brand new king.
A new king, I'm the only king in Judea. Find me this new king and I'll exterminate him before he goes up. These new king days are numbered.
We need to find him first.
These 3 travelers might just lead us to him.
A cunning plan.
That's good thinking, sir, but they will not get us our cunning plan.
I will be their sweetheart's honey. There will be flies around my honey pot. Then I will strike.
Don't get out with you, sir.
I know, fetch me these wise travellers, and I'll give them an audience.
Wicked King Hare pretended to be so interested in the newborn king that the 3 kings have taken kindness and concern.
They agreed to follow the star that was moving towards Bethlehem. They promised to find a new king and report to Herod on the way home.
Hare smiled and assured that when he was finished, he'd go and pay homage, making them welcome.
We knew his real plan was to kill the children, but we too had a cunning plan.
We spoke to Herod in a dream, to the 3 kings in a dream to go a different way, avoiding Jerusalem.
Our heavily touched went out with this evil thing.
Jesus would be safe from harm.
Our quest is over the star has started. Must be that place.
It's not fit for a king, though. It's just a humble stable.
A king with such on the belt would be truly God of all men.
I bring gold lockets for this. I will be the greatest king ever known.
I bring frankincense for the king of heaven and earth.
I bring myrrh for the king who will give his life back for his people.
Our picture is nearly complete. We will choose the next piece.
There are animals on it. I wonder how they felt about sharing the stable with the baby king.
haven't actually seen the baby Jesus yet?
Yes, because he's been tucked up in a cozy manger ever since he arrived.
And there's just one tiny piece of jigsaw left.
The smallest bit's the most important piece of the whole jigsaw.
Jesus.
And it's just the right piece for it.
Yes, here in Mary's arms.
Come on, let's make a picture. Now, in the busy jigsaw world of our lives, let us never forget the true meaning of Christmas.
Story has been told. We have seen it all unfold. And the jigsaw has reminded us today. Our chosen run away to a state of far away. Christmas Day. Christmas bells ring out across the ages, and a message is clear. Wishing you a very, very Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now our story has been told. We have seen it all unfold, and the jigsaw has reminded us today. Just let the angels sing, and the bright sun will ring. Christmas bells ring out across the ages, and the message is clear. Wishing you a very, very Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now our story has been told, and we have seen it all unfold, and the jigsaw has reminded us today. We stop and in a while, all those very special try to believe and later to believe. Christmas bells ring out across the ages, and the message is clear. Wishing you a very, very Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas bells ring out across the ages, and the message is clear. Wishing you a very, very Christmas and a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year.
Kind of feeling it's nearly here now. It's nearly Christmas time. And we're flying.
I've been waiting for so long for this day to arrive, and I can't sleep at night just thinking about it. I send my letter to Santa. I leave this beneath the tree. Oh, I know